Look at that. Woo! We're getting close to being done. My goodness. Advent Air's out here putting the air conditioner in today. And let's get spun around and go look at it. All right, guys. This is our cute little Highland home we're building in Trinity Falls. So drywall and paint's in. I mean, it's been a minute since we've been out here. We have had all kinds of stuff going on that's impacted our filming schedule. But we've got our windows, paint, all the niceties are done. Our doors are in. I don't know how well. Nope, can't see that at all. Sorry guys, we don't have power on yet. Here's the ancillary bedrooms. So a lot of people call this a walk-in closet, and you definitely can walk into that. But it's beyond a reach-in. It's just not a massive walk-in. But those are really neat. I mean, that's a really good sized closet. You might be able to see this one better. See, there's my arm and I'm not even halfway in. And for a modest square footage home, those are just really lovely features. Here's our back porch. And that's all green. All that dirt, that kind of golden dirt, that's all gonna be grass, by the way. All right. There's our detail work that's in, the tile work, and it looks really nice. That's actually really pretty. And this is gonna be stained, or painted, excuse me, that's gonna be painted. And then here's our kitchen. Guys, it's very cloudy and rainy today, so that's why it looks dreary. We've got our microwave and our oven location. This is gonna be for the fridge. And then we've got this, you can't see it, there's a plastic on there, but this beautiful countertop going in on the island. We got our pantry, our cabinets are in. Now guys, remember, a quick fix, something to really dress up your cabinetry work is pulls. And you can get them online. They're super inexpensive. I gotta put that wire back because that's apparently hot. They had it up out of the way. Got our opening for our cooktop. Got a neat little bench. Everything's looking really good. Let's see. There's Advent's truck out there. Whoop, there's a tub. That probably goes in that hole right there. Oh my gracious, they got the tile in. Look at the work they did on the shower. Oh, this is gonna be neat. That is a really, really nice size shower. This is really pretty with this, we call this an eyebrow arch because it kind of looks like an eyebrow. And you typically have your tub and your shower back to back. There's the facilities, and again, dark, but that's a big walk-in closet. So one of the things I would let you know is when you're building a new home, you can have one tub in the house, whether it's the master tub or a tub in the guest room. But a latest trend in new construction design is to have showers everywhere. Some people want tubs, some people want showers. My sweet homeowner here opted to go this route. Ooh, the garage looks really nice. I mean, they did a great job out here. I mean, it's dirty as all get out, but they'll come clean that up. And they've got these new ladders. I love these new aluminum ladders we're using everywhere. Those things are just awesome. By the way, I did put the wire back. We don't want any uncapped lines hanging around that little ones could touch or get their fingers shocked on, because that stuff will wake you up in the morning, boy, I tell you. Woo! It's got a little bit of kick to it. But guys, overall, this looks gorgeous. The brick's done, the lot's graded. Remember, they grade the lot so that rainwater slopes away from your foundation. That's the purpose of that. But we've got it all done. It looks beautiful. They are gonna come back and stain a bunch of the cedar. We're gonna get a bunch of interior work finished. The appliances are gonna go in. You're gonna get your real doors on it. And then eventually, we're gonna have that great and glorious moment where we're at closing. And then the house is yours. All right, guys, if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. I'll get back to you as fast as I can. And as always, on this beautiful rainy day God gave us, may He cause His face to shine upon you and keep and bless you and your family until we meet again.